Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me for the kitchen reveal. Before we get into it, I want to give a huge shout out to our sponsor, Rose Forever. Rose Forever is a company based in New York who specializes in handcrafted eternity rose arrangements. They are made of 100% natural fresh flowers that will last for 1 year. Yes, 1 year. So this is a great gift for birthdays, anniversary, or if you want to be like me and just get a bouquet to decorate. These will last, and we all know there's nothing like fresh flowers in a space. And as a special thank you for rocking with me throughout this kitchen makeover, I have a special $15 off discount code that you can find in the description box below. You can choose from their essential, passion, or intense bouquets. Either way, you can't go wrong. All of them are high quality roses, and I absolutely love them. So there's your gift for sticking with me. So let's get into the kitchen reveal. All right, so I want to take you guys back for a second and just show you what the kitchen looked like before we did anything to it. So we had espresso cabinets, which are basically just builder's grade. You can pretty much find espresso cabinets everywhere. These are very common for what builders are putting in. And actually, there's nothing wrong with them. I did like them. Still like the espresso cabinets. That's why, as you guys saw, we kept part of them. But I really wanted something more, I guess, I just wanted it to feel more glam, a little bit more grown up, a little bit more done. I noticed my style is changing. I am over farmhouse, you guys. Yes, I am over farmhouse, and I am leaning more towards the contemporary side. So here's just a look back. The darker cabinets, nothing wrong, but I just wanted them brighter. And I also want to show you guys, if you have not seen some of the things that we did to the kitchen. So first we started by updating our island, and then I painted some cabinets, and then we pulled out a backsplash, and then I put up lighting. If you guys want to see any of the work that we did, be sure to check out the kitchen renovation series, which you can find in a playlist. You can see step by step everything that we did. And if you have any questions, always leave a comment. I try my best to get back to everybody. So thank you guys again for hanging with me. And finally, here is the kitchen reveal.